CB. Another point. One Makati, CBE. What's that? What's that? Oh, nasa oh! Nakuha pa! Yes, buhay pa rin! Nakuha pa! Easy lang, easy. Set. Nakaharap ko si Gregory sa alat lang.
Parehong Makati pala to. Green Belt at CBD.
Yun, mga service, sinasabi ko. Magpapainit lang pala sila Gregory.
All two. Three, two in favor of Green Belt. Ang lalakas, tumira.
Oh, overlap daw. Hoy! Hoy! Point for Makati CBE.
Grabe!
Sumabit eh, sumabit.
Ang ipit ng laban. Sumabit.
Sumabit, sumabit. Pinalo. Kopya. Kulang lang ang 1 inch. James Raymore. Green Belt is leading by 1 point. Uy, ayan. Pasok. Sabi nila yung pasok.
Ang lalakas tumira nito, nakakatakot.
Tsaka matulis ah. Tulis ang sir. Sir.
Para ka nang nanonood ng championship.
Kung sino kaya ang papasok sa wild card?
Sino kaya ang makakalaban ni Madrigal?
kulang lang ng 4 inches. Okay, service by Great Bell.
Ang galing! Kanina pa nga kasi banggit ng sosa, kahit hindi nga pala, binanggit namin eh.
Oh! Outside. Outside pa rin. Yes,
O yung mga
outside.
participants dyan, huwag mo kalimutan, dumaan sa booth ng ating mga sponsors. Meron silang mga freebies kada booth. Mag-drop by kayo sa kanila. Umisap kayo doon kasi dito, entrance only ba, walang exit. Mga makukulit na participant dumadaan sa entrance. Ikutan niyo po yung mga sponsors natin.
Hindi naman, talaga makatulis ng sir na yun, sir.
Dahil
Service
po, hindi dahil sa mga sponsors natin, hindi tayo makakakain ng masarap.
Correct. Nasa sino ba?
Ulitin na lang natin. Banggitin ulit natin.
Okay, time out! Makati City! That time out is brought to you by Pacific Paints Boys and Philippines Incorporated.
Thank you, boys and
Boysen, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Boys and Paints at syempre kay Ascend Building Solution Inc. Ang product is the Polylight.
Thank you, Asen. Building na solution. Okay, back to the ball game. What's that there?
Yan. Pasalamatan din natin Ilaw at iba pa. Cine Magica Philippines.
Thank you, Cinema Magic at Philippines.
Easy Block Corporation.
Easy Black Corporation, thank you.
High Lee Corporation.
Hack and Lead Corporation, thank you very much.
Grand East Glass and Aluminum.
Yes, so that point is brought to you by Grand East, Glass and Aluminum.
Hypertech Wire and Cable Inc. Crown Pipes. Maxis Products Philippines Inc.
Thank you, Maxis.
Jetson and Jetson Technology Philippines. Thank you so much, CW Home Depot. Block Tech Trading Incorporated. Panasonic Manufacturing Philippines Corporation.
Thank you, Panasonic.
Blazer Steel Trading.
Blazer Steel, salamat po.
Conception Office.
Conception Office, thank you very much.
ANI at IBP Corporation for Mica Group.
Thank you, NNI.
Fox Furniture.
Thank you, you po, Ox Furniture. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you rin sa Office Essentials.
Yes, Office Essential. Thank you, thank you.
For your office needs, Office Essentials lang. HB Orona, your HB Home Lift, Elevators.
Thank you, HT Arona.
Rectrade International.
Recreate, maraming salamat po.
Rockford Marketing Corporation.
Rockford Marketing Corporation, thank you.
Phil Home Builders Center Inc.
Phil Builders, maraming salamat.
Shanghai Emerald Corporation. And lastly, Top Glass and Aluminum Contractor.
Top Glass and Aluminum, thank you. Emerald, thank you rin. Maraming salamat.
Yes. Letter B. 5. Naging bingo.
Bingo! Hoy, nice na. Pero nasagot yan. Makati CBB, ano yung gagawin? Pay over lang daw. Oh! Sobrang lakas. Sobrang lang sa lakas. Balikan yung score. Balikan yung score. Balik, 16 yan na yan. 16, okay? Okay, score is 10-16. Oy, nasa lubang galing naman ang save na yun. Was that outside score of Makati CBD? Score is 11-16. 5 lang yan, Makati CBD.
Humahabol ang CBD. Wait lang daw, wait lang daw.
Wait, official time out, official time out.
17. 10-17.
Pwede na kayo mag-warm up sa sides para niya. Ngayon ang tinatawag na science. Palanyag volleyball team, get ready. Oh, sayang! Warning na! Warning! Warning na, green bell all the way.
Olympian chapter, mag-ready na kayo. Kasi malanti tayo, sir.
Sure na ba ng tiyan, tsaka pala niya? Ang hapon ba yan, yung Makati? CBD, syempre.
Kailangan si CBD.
Oh, it's a point.
Maka 20 po kayo, CBD. Para makapasok kayo sa wild card.
CBD. Makati CBD, kailangan maka 20 points ngayon. 22 points.
Tapos laro agad.
Yun. Yun. Isa pa. Isa pa. Yun na. Sila. Napakablock talaga. Napakagaling. Oh! Match point. Match point.
Olympian, get ready na Olympian. Next game, Olympian and Palanyag.
Ito na for the win.